Hey guys, welcome to the next video on OpenCV tutorial for beginners using Python. In the last video, we have seen the basics of face detection using Haar feature based Cascade classifiers. In this video, we are going to extend our code to detect eyes using the same Haar Cascade classifier. So for that, first of all, you need to download the pre-trained classifier for the eyes from the same source which I have shown you last time also, which is the GitHub repository of OpenCV. Again, I'm going to give you this link in the description so you can directly come to this page, and this time we are going to download this XML file with the name Haar Cascade I_tree_eyeglass.xml file. So this is the pre-trained classifier for detecting eyes. So you can just click on draw and then save it as this same file name in your project. Okay, so I have already downloaded this XML file. You can see here Haar Cascade I_tree_eyeglass.xml file, and now we are ready to write our code. So this is the code which we have written last time. So if you don't know how this code works, you can see the last video. I'm going to just extend this code to detect eyes. So first thing first, we need to create the Cascade classifier for the eyes. So instead of face cascade, we are going to name it as eye cascade, and this file name will be the file which we have downloaded, which is I_tree_eyeglass.xml file. So once we have our classifier, then in the last video we have already seen how to detect faces. So our region of interest will be the face this time, because the eyes will not be present outside the face, right? So eyes will always be present inside the face. So our region of interest will be the face, and face we have already detected last time. So this face will be now our region of interest. So go inside this for loop where we are iterating over this face variable, and then we are going to create our ROI. So I'm going to create this variable which is called ROI_gray, and this will be the original grayscale image which we have created here, but we just want the face out of this image. So we can just index this face using y:y plus h comma x:x plus w, which is the width. So this line is going to give us the grayscale region of interest, but we also want the colored image also. So we are going to just say ROI color, which will be the colored ROI, and here instead of gray we are going to take the direct image, which will be before we have converted this BGR image to the grayscale image. So we have the colored ROI and the grayscale ROI. Once we have this, we will follow the same concept which we have applied for detecting the faces. So we are going to use this detect multiscale method. So I'm going to just write eyes is equal to, because we already have our eye cascade, which is a classifier. So we are going to use this variable and then use this method called detect multiscale, and then we are going to simply pass our ROI gray, which we got using the faces. Now we are going to iterate over those eyes. So inside this for loop, we are going to create one more for loop to iterate over all the eyes which are found on the face. So for, and then this will be ex comma ey comma ew comma eh for xy coordinate and the width and height. Now we will just say in eyes, and then we are going to just draw this rectangle, which is also very simple, cv2 dot rectangle, and then we are going to pass our image first of all, which will be our colored ROI image, which is this one. So here we will pass this ROI color, and then the first point in the rectangle, which will be EX and EY. So I'm going to just say EX comma EY, and the second point will be EX plus EW, which is X plus width. So we are going to just write this EX plus EW comma EY plus EH, which is the Y coordinate and the height. The next parameter will be the color. So let's provide the color. Let's say this will be 0 comma 255 comma 0, and then the next parameter will be the width. So let's say width we want here is 5. So that's it. So hopefully this code is going to work out of the box. We don't need to do anything else. We just need to define our classifier, and then we just need to use this detect multiscale method to detect the eyes, and then we just need to draw the rectangle on all the eyes which are detected. So let's run this code and let's see what happens. So we are going to see, you can see eyes are detected, but there is some problem because something is wrong. So I'm going to just quit this script and see what's going wrong here. So you can see this should be EX comma EY, and then our problem will be solved hopefully. So I'm going to run this code once again, and you can see the eyes are properly detected. So this is how you can detect eyes in the face using OpenCV and Haar Cascade classifiers. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.